Boomer, hello sir, thank you for joining. Sarap magkape. May stick ka dyan nga kape, Nay? Ha? Gamay lang, iyawan mo ko kurang-kurang bit-bit.
So, sa agi ko, busi ka buo dito pa na dira kun. Kung man ka lang mabugat ang kurbasa kag sa agi.
Hello Sir GR, thanks so much. Patutan mo ko na magi.
Ano maka siraw kang
I am Jiwa.
laswag.
Bok dako. Din mo rito mo butangran. Dapat sa may kubag lahat na. Oh, sige. Takagali.
Wala ka ni spin.
Dapat ang daw medyo palutor. Kasi ko hilaw mar.
Bayan abang habayan ni.
Baby. Gun. Thank you so much. Ha?
Tigabang dara.
Yar.
Abang ukra dyan.
Kape, may kape ka tay. Stick.
Makapihan.
Masisaka ka man mo to. Lego na yun, be, kape.
Ha?
Stick, liog.
Baw.
Liog lang.
Api, kasi mo timpla.
Ito kay...
Kurang na pay.
Oh, liog lang. Mr. Cupido. Doon kay ano? Di logo timpla to? Di na pagpatang yung klaman?
Pati mo kape mo itamay.
Tidiin na no.
Sana ikaw na nga. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining. Di na pagpatang yung kakakalaman.
Paito.
Saan nila pagbutang yung
mga ano ay pagkalamay.
Mo sa kapatid.
Iho, paano ko ano ito bagong ayam? Iya pag kibuka, tamuka nyo lang. Matamalak na ayaw, wala pa natin ito.
Ilonggo, gid ma'am eh. Ano ba lang? Ilonggo, gid ma'am, si Lilo.
Ukaw.
Ha?
Ha?
Ukaw.
Ukaw nga isa, ano ito ka din ukaw, agad yung sanggina ha?
Ha? May mga ukaw.
Hindi rin ah.
Hindi man to kuno mano. Okay.
Sa pututan ka? Hindi, sa ano, sa may Masin, Iloilo.
Hi guys, good morning, good morning.
Mabuhi. Ipi, nga din na idala sa brakay ulit na mo to.
Dito sa Masin, no? Bamboo capital of the Philippines. Oh, dito. Taga din ka, ma'am? Sir Kent. Taga Iloilo ka man, sir. Yeah, Tutukan Festival. Nalo sila last week sa, ano tawag doon? Independence Day.
Champion.
Yan, nanalo nga. Champion sila. Dance Parts. Thank you so much. Sure love. Thank you so much. Mercy, thanks to GR. Agustin, thank you so much for joining. Istansya ako. Oh, malapit lang. Istansya. Malapit lang, sir. Maasin kami. Istansya, malapit. Kasi last time, doon din ako pumupunta sa Barotac because may mga ulit-ulit. Yes, ma'am, 3-star. Alam mo, no? Ulit-ulit nga. Sisa. Pinipilter yan ni TikTok yung mga comment na ano yun kasi minsan. Buti ma'am si ma'am 3-star oh. Na-notice niya talaga. WLBRN4. Yeah, istansya. Malapit lang. Choco Rain, thank you so much for joining. So balik na tayo dun. Pre, di ka to pre! Balik ka na ibla! Oh, thank you. Good morning! Naka-coffee na kayo? Naka-coffee na kayo everyone or naka-breakfast na? Ma'am Bea, good morning. Babalik ka sa Boracay. Yes, mamaya. Kaya nga yung mama at papa ko dito prepared sila sa dadalhin ko. Gulay. Kasi kailangan natin gulay sa katawan eh. You know. Kanina nag-harvest kami doon. Takway. May takway. Madaming takway. Tapos okra. Dahon ng kamuting kahoy. Puso, saging. Even though kahit saluyot. Mamaya, kita-kita tayo sa Boracay. Hi, good morning. Ma'am Chika, thank you for joining. Where are you from? Salamat pagi. I do a lot of things that really interesting. Sometimes, about fitness, mga iba-iba rin. Ito, TikTok. Yun ang work ko, marami. Thank you so much, Sir Simple. Ay, si Ma'am Simple. Hello po, good morning. Love ko talaga to yung mga dito. 880. Si Reggie Enriquez, thank you so much. Can I hug you? Yeah, for sure. Where are you from? Salamat pagi. Terima kasih for joining in my life today. Ilang years since teenager kasi ako sir, Indonesia. Okay, Indonesia. Terima kasih. Terima kasih sayang. Welcome to my life. Ma'am Ruby, good morning. Since my teenager is my lifestyle ko na talaga is mag-workout. I just do it just make a reward to myself na still alive. So continuous na siya until now. Kuya, pwede pa ako. Saka, Sakalin. Okay. Saktan talaga. Bisa, Bahasa, Indonesian. No, Malay. Malay, Indonesian is more like the same. Malay, Indonesian, Brunayan is the used Malay language, right? Nag-guide ka din po sa Boracay. No, usually I don't do guide, but I want to go in a place in Boracay because I love Boracay. Dinky. Taong dagat din kasi ako. When I do swimming sa beach, then gumala. Kamu sudah nikah? Oh, nikah di paham. But sudah coffee. Sudah coffee. You sudah makan? Tell me bakit? Bakit N? Hello, good morning. Thank you for joining. Nikah apa? Di paham? Okay, kawin. Kawin balum. Belum. Belum kawin orang. Bahasa? No, just a little bit. But I can't do, I can't understand. Mark, Greg, thank you so much. Belum ma'am, belum orang. Yeah, belum orang kawin. Miss Babos, thank you so much for joining sa live. Richard Abatayo. Wow, ilang wika alam. Depende.
Yeah.
Chinese. Basic. Mga basic ko. Rosalyn, thank you so much for joining. Julie Bem, San. Thank you so much for follow. Chocorain, thank you. Still waiting for what? Not married yet. No, belum. Belum kawin orang. Still single. Mahal to, kawin. Mahal to, kawin. Bayara, banyak. Jeda, thank you so much for joining. Thank you everyone for joining. So, dapat mag-breakfast na kayo. You must take breakfast early in the morning to make yourself be energized. with complete of protein. But I already have a girlfriend. But I have or you have? Oh, I have. I have or you have? Me, I don't have. Bilom. Rachel, thank you so much for joining, Ma'am Rachel. Me Bilom. Yeah, wrong. Kapubara ako. Bea, hi Ma'am Bea. Kape po. No, dark coffee, black coffee without sugar. Hi Ma'am Christine, good morning. Thank you for joining sa live. Hopefully magkikita-kita ulit tayo sa Boracay. Hello Sir GM, thank you so much.
Puro dia bringon.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining sa live.
Ati magitat lagi.
So busy sila no, nakaka-prepared ng gulay.
Maka hindi rin.
Felix Sports, thank you so much sir for joining sa live sir. Felix. Sir. Ay ma'am, sorry ma'am Bea. Sorry, ma'am Bea. Thank you ma'am Bea. Yes ma'am, ma'am Bea. You like coffee ma'am Bea? Tagasan ka po ma'am Bea? Masarap talaga ma'am yung kape. Yung pinakamasarap na kape yung samusang, di ba? Expensive coffee. Sarap kasi din. Cavite, wow, shout out to all Caviteñan. Nasa live natin ngayon. Hello, Ma'am Nudge. Thank you so much. Ito, Indonesian dito. Salamat pagi, Ma'am Nudge. Dami kong Indonesian dito na mga ano eh. Fatasha01, thank you for joining. Yeah. What if your first language? Filipino. Tagalog. But my dialect is Ilonggo because I grew up I'm a native Ilonggo. Good morning, Taga-Asa. Iloilo. Iloilo, but now I'm stated in Boracay. Doon ako Yeah. Salamat pagi, sayang. How are you, sayang? Lofi Taro. Hello, sir. Good morning. Thank you for joining. Imuna tanan niya. Yeah? Imuna tanan niya. Yung alin, sir? Good. Great. Trigom 29. Thank you so much for joining sa live. Hahaha. Kalmado, girl. Ang ibili lang rin kung angayam lang rin.
Gapir ganyan primayong.
Hindi lang i-slice pro ko angay ka rin, sinuti mo nagdara ka mabudlay.
Panitan na be. Bulan na
Thank you so much, Sir Yuno. 86, thank you so much.
Bulan na panit na.
Sir Matt, thank you so much for joining.
Ano oras sa mali?
Bilin nila rin yung
Ano oras sa mali na kitkidan ko?
Why didn't you call me? No.
Ano oras sa mali na?
Maya. Patasha, Sir Juan, thank you so much for joining. Maya. Sir Matt.
May last days?
Maya gani. Darlo Gals, thank you so much. Patasha Owan, thank you so much. Darlo, thank you so much for like. I'm quite busy. Sir Jason, ano po advice nyo para laging motivated sa gym? So first, you must think that the exercise is just a self-reward para sa sarili na still alive ka pa. So para motivated ka, yun lang gawin mo. Yeah. Ang sa fitness kasi once comes for your mind first. So, abdominal. Where are you at in the Philippines or not? Yeah, I'm here in the Philippines, Ma'am Fatasha 01. Philippines. Where are you from? 165 cm. I just around 145 pounds. JJY, thank you for joining. Tony, hello ma'am, good morning, thank you for joining. No. Flex. The chika you girl. Apa ito? Di pa ham suday. Apa ito, Ma'am Nads? The chika girl. Apa ito? Di pa ham eh. Mr. Copido, thank you sir for joining. Fatasha, thank you so much for like live.
Sako bag. Pwede ba?
Yeah, apa ito?
Sako bag.
Ito po na mahubos.
Ito, chika, kamo po niya. Pasangan. Ay, nako. Sikit sadya Malaya. Just do English. I'm from Papua New Guinea. I shout out to all Papua New Guinea people. Thank you so much for joining sa live. I love you guys. A little heart for you. Like this. Right. Love you all. Closed up. Ouch. Oh, thanks, but I'm here in the Philippines as well. Ah, okay. Ichicha your partner. Bilom partner ah. Bilom kawing orang, Ma'am Nads. Where are you from sa Philippines? Saan ka dito? Where you here in the Philippines? Manila. Where? Thank you so much, Kendall. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Thank you for joining. Thank you everyone sa pag-like, sa pag-share ng ating live. Where are you here in the Philippines? Pasay. Ah, Pasay, okay. Why you don't visit Boracay? I just go back to Boracay later. So you can enjoy here. You do vacation or you just do something. Then who do you want to marry? Marry? I'm not sure. For now, I just enjoy my life. I just enjoy the journey in fitness. Oh yes, please, I would like to. Yeah, for sure you must enjoy in Boracay. Why you don't try to go here? What you do? Do you have some, monkey business here in the Philippines or something? Oh, mamaya. Yeah. I just answer your call it, but just now Ma'am Nudge, you just call it after this live, Thank you so much for, after this live end, then I'm the one who just call you later. So nice to enjoy single life, yeah. Thank you so much. Pero makasi. Pag sa Boracay ako ulit, pwede ba ako ito? Yeah, for sure, baby girl. Just a direct message and then you can go to my, this one, TikTok account if you want. Sir Marcos, good morning. Hello, sir. Nanti, yeah. Karang boleh. After this finish, we just, a little bit of, nanti, yeah. Karang. Karang ha? No worries. I just give you sample later. Ma'am Nudge. AJ, hello sir AJ. Good morning. Thank you for joining sa live. Carlos Soto, hello. Thank you for the live. Kuya, how would you promote Boracay to people? Yes sir, yeah. If you already join my TikTok or just follow my account, I always go to live in any place in Boracay. But since you just new to my TikTok, then I always go there every time. Sometimes in Ginoon, I just do live. So we already go in any places in Boracay, just like Station 1, Station 0, Station 2, Station 3. We already go there. So after, I think, tomorrow, if I'm not too busy in my clients in fitness, so we just visit Puka Beach. Thank you so much to become the new and gift, Miss Roach Patasha. Thank you so much for like, ma'am. I love you, Papa Eugenian.